Hi, dear customer. Today we are sitting with Mr. Hussein. It is our prime Istanbul 1+1 project. So, hi, Mr. Hussein.
Hi, how are you, Sister Rad? Nice to meet you, actually, and you with your own clients also. We are waiting here at the beginning in our office, and this is office, Prime Istanbul. So I gotta introduce for you now here the simple flat we have. It's about 1+1.
Because this is 1+1 project,
Yeah,
right?
we have options start from studios and 1+1, 2+1, and then 3+1.
Okay.
Of course, with different square meters we have if you want to stay here for residence, we have also wide and big apartments. And
Okay.
if you want to just investment, we have also small units. You can make it for own investment. So the square meters start for 1+1 from 90 square meters.
Okay.
And also, like if you're talking about the net, we can start from state to start 60%. Okay. And after that, we have the 2+1. We have also master rooms types, and we have also start from 116. So, and 200, you can say. So all the options, it's available here. And of course, we have the three views. As we can see, we have the Basin Service Highway view. We have also the inside view, and we have also the Imam River view, which will be connected as we talked about it with the Canal of Istanbul. It will be the taxi, the boat taxi will be passing from here. So,
regarding this, for example, this 1+1 property, what is available here regarding facilities? Can you give us some information for that?
Of course, the facilities here we have actually, as we can know, we about other hotels like 5-star hotels, like a brand, like a Pullman. So all the luxury facilities we have actually. Our owners or our residents here who want to stay here, you can use it with the sharing with the Pullman. So you can imagine yourself, you are living here, and in the residence, it's also related to the Pullman. So you can feel free to stay, or you are living. You can stay in the hotel at the same time, and like his home services. Yeah,
you are giving the as hotel services, right?
Yeah, of course. We have.
For example, I'm the person that purchases property,
yeah,
and I have the same services. Which, if I'm staying in the hotel or if I'm staying here,
yeah,
I have the same services.
That's correct. Right? That's correct. Actually, the same thing here. So, if you are talking about the facilities here, we sold.
Can you identify, for example, what is the services? Let's say I'm the customer. I'm sleeping here. I'm living here in this.
You can also.
What is my services?
Yeah, your services here. We have also the home services if you want. We have also the reception connecting with smart home system. Can call anything I wanted.
Okay.
We have 4 restaurants. It's working all the time, 24 hours. So if you wanted to ask something, of course, it's free for you can feel to do that in the free way. You are living in a hotel. That's all. So we have another thing also. We have the. We see the fitness. We saw the fitness room, and we have the outdoor
swimming pool as well.
Yeah, and the sauna and the jacuzzi and space. Our massage space we have it, and they have also VIP ones. So as you can see, the Pullman Hotel around the world. It's a famous brand. So the facility is suitable for this. Hotel.
And by the way, one point I want to specify is this project. The other project of the Pullman hotels. Which is, as Mr. Hussein said, once you're purchasing this property, you have the same services like you're staying in the 5-star hotel. You will be like it will be your own room, and you have the same services, which is you can get anywhere in the world. For example, if you're getting the Pullman hotels, the same 5-star hotel services you can get in this property. Yes. So regarding let's say this system, what can you tell about this system? For example, like lighting, do you have a smart home system here?
Yes, we have a smart home system, and we can also say I can ask anything, as I told you, from the reception, home services, and electro. So we have all the services here. So we have also clean room service. As I told you, just you can feel you are
living in the
hotel. Yeah, that's all. At that point, it's all like this. So now here, this simple flat, we 1+1, as I told you, sir. It's about 104 square meters. The net for this one is about 77. It's one of the you can say one of the biggest types for 1+1 we have. And it's a Basin service view. So we have also a good point here to talk about the balconies. The balcony in the Basin service types, we cannot find a lot of 1+1 wide square meter with the balcony option. So that's good point for us. If the buyer, he want to get the apartment 1+1 wide one, not the small and tiny one without balcony, like similar from studios. So we have
for 1+1. This is in a quite very big property.
Yeah.
Normally, I see the 1+1 at approximately 50 square meters. But net
51, it's about our studio. If you are talking about the 50, we have studios in this square meter.
Okay, you know, normally, for example, I saw 50, 51 is net square meters, 1+1. But here it's 77, right?
Yeah, it's 77 net for this one. Yeah.
Okay. And generally, most of customers are asking regarding rental. How they can, for example, I purchase a property. How can I use the facilities of rent income?
The rent income, we for the Basin service area, have sir, about it's an investment area here, and all the investment people, they are coming to get the property here. They are asking about two questions. The first of one, it's about the square meter price here. How much is it? And it will be, if you talk about prices, we talk about it, how it's a good price. And when we are going to comparative in the city center, we are now in the city center. It's a good price also, and we can get a good option here for the Basin rest. And the other things about the monthly fees. The monthly fees, we make something about it. We separated that all the luxury and extra facilities. We separated from the monthly fees, and we called it IDAT. So for each 1 meter, it's about 4 liras. If you're talking about this apartment, for monthly fees for this one, it's about 400. But if you want to use it, all the luxury facilities we saw there, we talk about
like
the sharing
gym or swimming pool.
We talk about with this sharing with the Pullman. So we can get for the discount. We use it with discount 25%.
Okay.
So if you are a ticket, we can make it a monthly bucket or yearly as he wants. So because there is something here. At least if you talk about the busing service, and we saw the facilities, how it's a good facilities, and maybe we can say when you saw it, I'm going to pay at least $150 for monthly fees for this one. So it's something nervous for the investment people. So they don't want to pay all of that charges. So we make it like this way. He will be paid just for 4 years for each square meter, and the rest of money he wanted to make like a as you can say, I want to use all of that like a bucket with a discount to 25%.
Okay, I got your point. So, for example, if the customer want to use this, give to rent this property for daily basis, as you said, it is Pullman hotels, right? Property, and Pullman hotels also is here.
Yeah.
So. It's like, for example, the customer is coming from abroad and he want to use this property daily basis. How much the customer can give this property daily basis?
Right, the daily basis. If we talk it actually now for rental income for us, we're talking about at least 400%. And we're talking about the 1+1. It's furnished one with a worst case. We can talk about it. It's 4,500.
Let's talk about daily basis.
Oh, okay. I told you with the monthly and the daily. I make comparing with the Pullman studios and the 1+1 also options. So we have here in the studios in the normal case in the season also at least 70 until 80.
$70 per day, right?
$70, yeah, until 80. It's around that.
Okay.
For a 1 day, and in the Pullman hotel and normal studios. So where there is a lot of visitors here, and also Pullman, they have actually we have a contract with the agencies for medical agencies. They want trading here.
Tourism,
so
right?
The tourism also. So it's how much it's
here.
Of course, it's important for Turkey. So some of them they are staying here at least 1 month to trading. Some from all of that. So they prefer 1+1 or 2+1 apartments. So actually he provide. That like a Pullman, he provide the owners here. It's a good like a contract with sharing good contract with he made with the clients and the customers. Yeah, if on the customer if he like it or not. So it's a good point from to provide that you can say to support the investment here from the Pullman side. So if you are talking about 20% management will be go to the Pullman, and 80 per person will be go to the owner here. So
for example, let's say monthly Pullman use our room. Let's say this room Pullman used, and he get $1,000 return, and he's giving $800 to the customer.
That's right.
And $200 Pullman is taking for his services. Right?
That's right.
Okay, that's good. So if someone want to give this property himself, in booking Airbnb or anywhere.
It will be of course more of that. You're talking about more of that really.
Yeah,
actually
if he want to give, for example, proper daily basis.
Daily,
how much
this
is
one? It's about, we're talking about at least $110
$110 per day.
It was furnished like this way. We can say 110. It's a good price, I think. As I told you, sir, we have the standard rooms here, and actually talking about $70-$80 around that. So if you are think about 1+1 in this square meter, and also with good situation for the furniture, and so he had own kitchen and all of that. He prefer more to stay in apartments. So if you talk about 2+1, it will be more and more. We are talking about 140 at least for 2+1, because we have the square meters to be increased. So maybe some of them he want 2+1 with small tile, and other also they prefer with the master rooms or bigger. So it's intimate, or the square meter for how much will be. And at least I told you in the worst case, 120 will be.
120.
Yeah, 120 for 2+1 start for daily prices.
So
airbag and
I know most of our customers are interesting, because for them, yes, of course they want to get the Turkish passport as well, but most of them are looking for getting at least return. As you know, according to Turkish government rules, if you purchase a property in 3 years, you cannot sell it.
Yeah, that's right.
You have to keep it with you.
So you have to make something.
Yes, of course. If you have keeping
investment,
purchase the property, I need something at least 3 years. I have to get some return. So in this location, it is approximately 30 minutes, right, to airport.
Yeah,
approximately 30 minutes to the airport. Inside of, let's say, with a Pullman, and the same studio. Let's say this room in the Pullman is more than $150.
Yeah, maybe it's going this way. Actually, in these days, also when the summer comes and they are alone,
season high.
Yeah,
right?
the season high. Yeah, that's why we're increasing more and more. Actually,
yeah.
Maybe, and also you cannot find rooms or
full booked.
Yeah,
right?
All of it's full. So that's why that Pullman is going to side the resident side, his own side actually, and they have arguments with the owners here, so he can provide them. Of course, we'll be taking 20%, and we'll be making the management all apartments, the cleaning, and who's staying here, and of course with monthly reports he's sending by email for the owners, and also in the bank if he want a monthly or make a payments for monthly or yearly as he want. Of course, that's contract support contract from the Pullman side. It's absolutely if the client he want it or not. It's not you have to shoot to make it or sign it with the Pullman.
Okay,
it's up to him. Absolutely up to him.
Yeah. So for example, for identify the advantage of the customer who will purchase the properties, first main point, there is so many properties and so many residences in the Turkey, which is prices are over higher than the actual prices. But in this project, you can find exactly prices, and advantages is you can use your room as yourself. For example, you can give rent $100, $250, $220 per day with a booking or Airbnb, and you can get some return. Second option is, if you don't want to, waste your time with this, you can give your property to the Pullman, and Pullman will use the property as his own suite room or his own room, and then he will share with you 80% of your return. For example, let's say $1,000 this month have $1,000 return, and 80%, the $800 Pullman will pay you each month. So it means, for example, investors may be looking for not just rental returns; they are looking for the price increases. So, for example, let's say if the property purchase right now in $100,000, what will be the expected return in 3-5 years?
Actually, in normal case, if we are talking in any area, if the government provided this area or making them constructions to support this area. And the most important here, we are talking about the transportations, which is the subway. So here the subway, when they open here, will have a lot of access to get the Basin service. Almost we are the same here. The line it's going to the airport, the new airport, and also we are near from the city center. It's about 30 minutes, not that all actually period or timing to get the city center, because we are in the middle. So we are also near from the Metrobus station, as I told you, sir, in the A5 also. It's about around 5 minutes just all, and we'll be open this station. We'll have, of course, if you're talking about the increasing the prices for the square meters, I'm talking about at least for 30%. It will be increasing the prices here. So we are actually hoping more and more here. The price is also it's going higher more and more. And for investments here, it's a good opportunity, I think, for the Basin Express. And all everybody actually is coming to Basin Express. He wants the property. He knows because he knows how the value of this
location is like a center, right? Easily you can can find transportation everywhere. And after this Canal Istanbul open, I guess the price can be double or
maybe more than that. Really, because that's what we're planning for it. The government, because and the commercial areas, all the people they don't have any chance to invest in it there because the square meters prices get for the high more prices you can get more. You cannot take buying property and sell it again because the prices already everybody know there. We are talking about 1+1 60 square meters. We are talking about $250. One citizenship. We are getting just 1+1. But here also the government is planning to get the investment more and more to this also to invest here in Turkey with which make it a lot of things, and most important it's about citizenship. And also this area how is important here. They provided with the projects and they are working here will be like all this area is about like towers. They are building everything here. And as I told you so before, 3 years or 4 years ago, there is a project now we don't find it before, we don't know before. So that's mean actually here. This area there have something in the future, in the near future, not the far future. And also we are impulsing from the Bus Express here. We see a lot of companies, big companies here actually, and for also banks here, the central buildings here for them, and also for government actually buildings here. So I hope also for all our visitors.
So if you want to for the even for the rent, giving for the rent or for the selling in the future, this is a very good project.
Of course, I advise them to take to know more about the Bus Express.
Yeah, then
how
you
it's
will
important here for location, because the most important thing to buy property in foreign people. If I am foreign, have to know where I am, when I'm buying, and the square meter price, how it's good or not. I have to compare it and make filters how in this concept, in this price, how is it good or not. For TITD, it's already here. We don't have any problems, and it's suitable for the citizenship. So the prices, I hope your clients when they are coming to visit us, will be find out that actually the square meter prices will be good for them. I hope really waiting them actually.
Yes, thank you very much for saying.
You're welcome.
Generally, if you close it, this is for the selling purpose or for getting the passport for the rental. It's a very good location. So better, we are suggesting you if you can visit yourself, and we are ready to show you all the places, and you can see yourself where you are investing, and you can see physically how can be the return in the future. So today with you, my name is Murad, and Mr. Hussein was here. So if you are looking for investment in Turkey, it can be for the Turkish passport or for the investment for return, or it can be for the construction or any kind of business in Turkey. You can contact with us. Thank you very much.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.